There has never been a better time to create LinkedIn videos than right now. Seriously, pause this video, go create and post a video on LinkedIn, and then come back and I'm going to show you how to dominate LinkedIn using videos. Hello, Socialty Pros. My name is Austin Armstrong, and this channel is all about helping you socialize your specialty so that you can grow your personal brand and your business online. So if you'd like to learn the tactics and strategies to dominate the online space, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell. Imagine being on the ground floor of a platform that just launched video and is pushing it in front of your perfect clients. Guess what? That platform I'm talking about is LinkedIn. LinkedIn video has only been around for barely over 1 year now, and there has never been a better time because of this reason to start uploading videos on there. Video is an incredibly powerful medium to communicate your knowledge, your expertise, and your personality across to the viewer, to the person online that's looking to connect with you. And guess what? Posting on LinkedIn is incredibly easy to do. If you're logged in on your mobile phone, it's as easy as clicking the little plus icon right at the bottom of the screen. From here, you're going to click on the video icon and it's going to pop up the video section. From here, you can either choose a video that you've previously recorded, or you can record a video right from here and post it. If you're logged onto your desktop computer or your laptop, it's a simple process as well. At the very top of the home screen, next to the Start a Post section, you'll see a little video camera icon. Just click on that and it'll allow you to upload a video that you've already created from your dashboard. Another important thing to note here is that currently the maximum time that you're allowed to upload a video is 10 minutes in length. If you're stuck on what type of video that you want to create and put out there in front of your audience, here's some pretty cool ideas that you can try and see what works best for you. You can talk about your skill set and your services and your expertise. Show a little bit about your personality. Show what you do. You can become a news source. Look at what's trending in your industry, either on the trending section of LinkedIn or just some breaking news, maybe from a website that you follow that talks about this particular topic. Be the first to report that. Take a video, record your response to that, or just overall talk about it and open a dialogue around this trending topic. Take your viewers behind the scenes. People love that all access pass. Show them your facility, show them your office, show them the outside around the buildings, show them that awesome mural that you got a local artist to paint for you. Whatever it is, show them around, take them behind the scenes so they know exactly what to expect before furthering that communication with you. Give helpful daily tips and advice. If you're in the digital marketing space, for instance, say maybe the 3 tips that you can use to better your LinkedIn production value. Give helpful daily tips and advice. Depending what industry you're in, maybe you're in the mental health or the healthcare space. Give 3 tips on how you can breathe easier or de-stress when you're in the moment of anxiety, or if you're a dentist or a dental hygienist, what are 3 tips that you can offer to have a cleaner mouth? All of these things you can post on a daily basis that are helpful to your target demographic and audience. These are just a couple of ideas that you can roll with, but have fun with it. The bottom line here is that you want to remember why you're on LinkedIn at all. What is your purpose and what is your mission on this platform? Who are you trying to connect with? Who are you trying to grow your audience with? Once you have this in mind, just go wild, have fun, try different video styles, and see what gets the most engagement, and then do more of exactly that. But let's not stop this LinkedIn journey just yet. I'm going to show you the power of endorsements and how this actually can stir and start a conversation between you and another individual online. Click on this video right now and I'm going to show you the amazing power of endorsing someone on LinkedIn. If there's anything else that I can personally do to help you or your business grow online, let's connect at SocialtyPro.com.